Hello everyone, I am Jamaluddin. Today I will explain my mini project Tasty Kitchen. Here, login page is there. Once you enter valid username and invalid password and click login button, they shows error username and password didn't match. Once you enter invalid username and valid password and click login button, they shows error username and password didn't match. Once you enter without any details and click login button, they shows an error username and password is invalid. Once you enter valid username and valid password and click login button, they redirect you to home page. Here in home page, they shows in the our top right corner home page, card page and logout button is there. Here banner section is there. They shows offers of the restaurant prices. In below they have popular restaurant section is there. Here so many popular restaurants are there. You can see this. Here popular restaurants. These are all popular restaurants. Once you have select any one of the restaurant and see this. Here restaurant name, address, their rating and cost. In below they have so many food items out there in the restaurant. Once you have select any one of the food item to click add button. Add button is there. Once you click add button, they shows how much quantity of the food if you want. If you have select any quantity like this and randomly click another one, the two food items or the two food items or comes under the cart page. Here cart page is here. To see the cart page, item, quantity and price is there. Here if you have selected item and how much quantity of the food item and price. If you have decreased the quantity, the price also decrease. If you have increased the quantity, the price also increase. In below, they have total price is there and place order button is there. Once you click place order button, the payment will be successful. Thank you for ordering. Your payment is successfully completed. Here, go to homepage button is there. Once you click go to homepage button, they redirect you to homepage. In the below, photo section is there. Here, social icons is there like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like this. We have entered directly cart page. They shows no order yet. Your cart is empty. Add something from the menu. And here order now button is there. Once you click order now button, they redirect you to home page. If you have select any one of the restaurant and see this hotel BH Hotel Akbar North Indian Chinese, and this is the address and rating of the restaurant and cost of. In below there are many items are there in the restaurant. If you have select any one of the food item, just click add button and they shows rating. Once you increase the quantity of the food and randomly click another one, the two items will be added into the cart page. To see the cart page, the item, quantity, price is there. If you have increased the quantity or decrease the quantity, the price also increase or decrease. If you have selected type, if you increase the quantity, the price will increase. If you decrease the quantity, the price will be decrease. Here total price is there, and in the below place order button is there. Once you click the place order, the payment will be successful. Thank you for ordering. Your payment is successfully completed. Here go to home page button is there. Once you click this, they redirect you to home page. You have go to the links also. In link you have enter cart. They direct you to go to cart section. No order yet. Your cart is empty. Add something from the menu. Here order now button is there. Once you click order now, they redirect you to home page. Once you enter invalid data to here and press enter, they shows error page not found. We are sorry, the page you requested could not be found. Please go back to the home page. Here home page button is there. Once you click home page button, they redirect to home page. Here logout button is there. Once you click logout button, the page will be logout to redirect to home login page. Here this is the desktop version. You can see the mobile version and tab version also like this. Here we see the mobile version. If you have entered valid username and invalid password and click login button, they shows error username and password didn't match. Once you enter invalid username and valid password and click login button, they shows error username and password didn't match. Once you enter valid username and valid password and click to login button, the page will be redirected to home page. Here we see the home page, cart page and logout button. This is the banner section. The offers is displayed in the banner section. The popular restaurants are there here. If you have see the popular restaurants, there are so many popular restaurants are there. They are shorting up. They have shorting option also is there. Once you click highest to lowest or lowest to highest, the items will be arranged to the ratings. Here, if you have select any one of the restaurant, this is hotel name, address, rating, and price. Here, so many food items are there in the restaurant. If you have select any one of the food item and just click add button, this is quantity of the food. If you have increase or decrease. Here, randomly click another one to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. If you enter zero quantity of food, the item cannot show. The two items will be added into the cart page. Once check the cart page, the two items should be added in the cart page. Here, item name, quantity of the food and price is there. Here, total price of the food items. Here, place order button is there. Once you click place order button, the payment will be successful. Here, go to home page button is there. Once you click that, the redirect to home page. In below, they have folder section is there. They show social icons like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Once you directly go to the cart page, they shows no order yet. Your cart is empty. Add something from the menu. Here order now button is there. Once you click order now button, they redirect to the home page. Once you click logout button, the page will be redirected to the login page. This is the mobile version. And you can see the tab option also like this. Here you enter valid username and invalid password and click login button. This shows an error message. If you have entered valid username and valid password and click to login button, they are redirected to home page. In the top corner, we have show home page, cart page and logout button. In below, they have banner section is there. They shows offers of the food items. And below, popular restaurants are there. They have so many popular restaurants are here. You can see this. Here, sorting option is there. Once you click highest to lowest or lowest to highest, the food items, the popular restaurants will be arranged by their rating. If you have see this highest one, for the restaurants will arrange highest to lowest. Once you click lowest, they change to lowest rating to highest rating. If I click any one of the restaurant and you see this restaurant name, address, rating and price. And below they have so many food items over in the restaurant. If you select any one of the particular restaurant and click add button and this shows quantity of the food. If you want, you can increase the quantity and randomly select another one. The three items will be added into the cart page. Here we see this item, quantity, price. If you have decreased the quantity, you can decrease the price also decrease. If you have increased the quantity, the price will be increased. Here total price is there. And below place order button is there. Once you click place order button, the payment will be successful. Here go to home page button is there. Once you click the go to home page button, they redirect you to home page. You will enter directly cart page. They shows no cart date. Your cart is empty. Add something from the menu. And they shows order now button. Once you click order now button, the page will be redirected to home page. Here logout button is there. Once you click logout button, The page will be redirected to login page. This is all about tab version and mobile version. You can see the desktop version also. This is all about my mini project Tasty Kitchen. Thank you.